Hey, welcome back to the channel. Back in the garage today, talking Harley again. I want to find out, or I wanted to know, is this Harley Davidson Backlash, is it real or is it just all online? Anyways, let's get into it. So we've all seen all these videos of a lot of I wouldn't say a lot, a few non-riders that are bringing to light a lot of this stuff that they don't like about Harley Davidson. And there's been a few YouTubers getting on and talking about it, how they're not too happy with Harley Davidson. And then I came across a couple of videos. I'm going to link them down below. The first one's actually from Cycle Drag. Now, Cycle Drag, if you don't know, he was the one that actually had the video showing how dead the Harley Davidson booth was at Sturgis. In this video here, he's actually talking to a dealership in Sturgis, and the guy is talking about how, you know, sales are good. They're on pace to make or sell the third most bikes at Sturgis Rally ever. So I found that kind of interesting. And then the second video that I'm going to link down below is actually a guy from an actual Indian dealership, and he's talking about how many Harley Davidsons, or how many people are coming in trying to trade their bikes in, that he can't physically take them all, and he's recommending different things that you can do, you know, like debadging to show your disgust or your disappointment in the company. So it begs to differ, or it made me think. I was actually out at a used dealership here in Southern Ontario. May or may not be doing something with this, but has nothing to do with that. But anyways, that might be in another video, or it might not. Haven't decided yet. But I was asking him, you know, has anyone been coming in trading in their Harleys? Now, this guy here basically does like 90% of his business is Harleys. 90% of his bikes are Harleys. He does have all the other brands, but it's mainly Harleys. And he's just like, well, I heard about it, but he hasn't had anyone come in trying to trade in their Harley or sell them their Harleys because they're mad. And to piggyback off of that, all the guys that I ride with, I mean, there's a few guys that ride Harleys, a few guys that ride metric bikes or whatever. None of them have really heard about this whole hoopla with Harley Davidson. So it got me wondering, is this a real thing, or is this just like stuff on the internet to grab clicks, you know, kind of like what I'm doing? But anyways, let me know in your experience. Are you seeing people actually upset about this, actually protesting, actually, you know, do you know anyone that's actually debadged their bikes or anything like that? Or is it completely online thing? Anyways, until next time, later.